This is November 2009, 20th of November, after the floods in Cockermouth and Broughton, and this is what the Derwent looks like at Pennybridge. It's about 6 times the width it normally is, possibly even more. You can see it's totally covered the fence on the other side of the river. It's about halfway up the tallest of the trees. That's usually the other bank. That is our fence. That's how close the river is to our fence. And if you come around here, that's where the river's come to, outside our house. It's up on the cobbles. It's right up to the doors of the farmhouse, and it's deep in the lane. It's flooded at Log Pool, which is why it's come through there, but it's also come through the small garden there.